Welcome to Medieval Mesa. In this video, I will be demonstrating my improved method for creating rough stone walls out of common spray foam. When looking at medieval castles, I noticed that most of the rockwork was composed of rough cut stones. While XPS foam bricks can easily mimic dressed cornerstones, I wanted to create a product that captured the rough-hewed rocks that appeared on most castles. Previously on the channel, I demonstrated a technique for creating these out of common spray foam. However, I was not happy with the initial mold process. I therefore conducted a series of experiments to see if I could improve the technique. I had two goals while experimenting. First, I wanted to build a mold that would be thin enough so that the foam sheets it produced could be applied directly onto a model without sanding or cutting. Second, I wanted the organic rock texture free of any knife or tool marks. Ultimately, I discovered the best way to create my rough stone bricks was by means of an individual brick mold. I therefore cast 1x3 lug Legos in silicon rubber. Once finished, I then filled these with plaster, making sure to pour on a thick layer that rested on the top of the mold. Once the plaster was dry, I was able to remove the silicone and easily snap off the bricks. This process gave each brick a high-quality, organic rock texture, while also ensuring each brick had a uniform height and depth. After repeating the process several times, I had enough bricks to create my master mold. After sealing the mold with hot glue, I then poured the silicon rubber. Although caulk or Prado putty can work for this process, unless you have experience working with these materials, I would recommend using a commercial casting rubber. After the silicon had time to harden, I removed the bricks for future use and then filled the mold with tile spray foam. The end product was significantly better than my previous attempts, and I am very happy with the final result. Although the process took me about 5 hours over several days, the end product has saved me significant time while constructing my models.